Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Hello, buddy.
Morning, family.
Morning, morning.
We're the 61A right now. We'll see what we do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm shorted on oil right now. You going long right now, or what's going on?
I took a short.
Okay.
Might get stopped out. It looks very bullish, but we'll see.
Mhm.
Oh, stop me out.
Yeah, it looks like we're trying to go high. I don't even know what's going on. We'll see.
Yup, it got me.
Yeah, they're pumping it. Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Sad. On the 1 minute ORB, I got stopped out and then it ran.
Yeah.
It's funny. That's
I,
all
I
good
didn't
though.
I didn't take it because we were so close to the 61.8, but
Yep.
61.8 didn't hit today, so it's all good.
Yeah, it's all good. Yep. Yes, sir.
Well, I'm ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's day. Bro,
That's what I say. He's
even at its
ready.
worst case scenario, if nothing hits, if it's just too volatile, one of like
Mm-hmm.
it whiplashes to both sides, I'll be all good. You know what I mean?
Yep. I feel you.
Order filled.
Let's get up here. Let's clear that. Oh, they gonna defend it? Okay.
Motherfucker look like it's back in the encroachment for that 4 hour.
Yeah, I needed that. Give me all of that. I needed all of that.
YM would have actually been perfect at that 670 I was looking at, but it's kind of stuck between a
Because
rock and a hard spot.
man,
So
they pumping. I'm talking about pumping. Like this is a pump. Mm. Yeah, I got something set up for this. Wait, what? Okay. Ooh, That's just clean. Yep. Yeah. Hmm. Jesus. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
By the way, guys, thank you for using code NBT. I really do appreciate it. And it has been crazy on Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader, like my affiliates have literally more than doubled just since they gave me my NBT code. It's been crazy difference. Like it did it, I mean, that guy was making bank off of that code. Which I'm sure, yeah, I don't know if it is apples to apples, but definitely
filled.
definitely a big difference. That's been, I did not expect it to be that much difference. The other guys, NBTs, yes, NBT, basically my code works. I have NBT as my code for all prop firm, or basically for all my affiliates. My code is NBT, which is so much nicer than, I don't know, it's just cleaner that way. How much? I usually don't share my affiliates, but it's not crazy, but it's more than
Order
double
filled.
of what
Order
it used to
filled.
be.
Order filled.
And it used to
Order
be
filled.
about
Order filled.
$2,000 a
Order
month
filled.
on Take
Order
Profit
filled.
Trader.
Order filled. Order filled.
It has
Order
definitely made a
filled.
difference.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
All right,
filled.
we're doing a giveaway, NBT, exclamation mark NBT. If you want to get entered, you do have to be a sub for at least 3 months. We're giving away Lucid 150K accounts. Gosh. Man, this market is very bullish right now. Oh, you know what? I forgot.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right, well, the market at least is kind of starting to go sideways, so these EMAs are going to have a chance to catch up here.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
All right, guys, got 1 minute, 30 seconds left to enter the giveaway. Yeah, again, giving away 350K Lucid accounts. Exclamation mark NBT.
Target filled. Target filled. Stub filled.
Oh, come on.
Man, it's just straight up and then a little dumpy.
Yeah.
Hey, we're getting
Yeah, it was
close
a nice
here,
day.
folks.
Crazy, yeah.
Time to pay
Even though I
attention.
took an L, that this was I would say this was clean. Like clean,
Yeah.
clean.
Yeah, this was clean.
All right, I think the giveaway is officially over.
Very
Just
clean.
hold tight, guys. We might get a setup here. I don't want to miss a setup.
There they go. Money just going. Jesus.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, moment of truth here. Let's see if we get an entry. Kind of want this candle to close red. Now, the question is this going to roll over or are we going to actually get a move back new highs? We shall find out. We'll do we'll pick the names right after if this setup happens or not. We'll do it. Wow, we're going lower. By setup, you mean a short? No, it would be a long setup. Nope. All right, my entry looks like my entry will be right here. Oh boy, man, I hate where my stop is here. All right, I'm going to go use the restroom. I'll be right back.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Looks like it's wanting to drop.
Yeah, it's definitely right. Oh. We'll see what they do.
Order filled. Order
All right,
filled.
we're back. Yeah. Looks like we got a fake out. We got ourselves a fake
filled.
out. Man, how close was I to hitting my target? I had to be very close. I think I have my target, my first target, what, 149s? Oh, I mean, it's fine. We, I don't know. The setup was there. We took it. I don't think there was anything wrong with the trade, it just didn't work. It just didn't work. All right, let me, I'm going to screenshot this just so I can get this saved. Okay, I'm going to take it off sub-only mode. We can, all right, we can do the giveaway. Let us do the giveaway. Let me look. Let me see here. Do we have... All right, hang on. Let me get my... Let's get the duck race going.
So 38-2, we'll see how they respond.
Okay. Like right here is, this is off the 15-minute opening range high, but I'm not going to take it. We're not taking it, so. Okay, let's pick 15 winners, fellas. Again, this is for the chance. The giveaway is 150K Lucid accounts, 3 of them. So let us get started here. Let me get my names ready. Okay, here we go.
Yo.
First name is gonna be, oh, look at that. Timbo Trader, first name in the race. Congratulations, Timbo. Good luck.
Yo,
Oh man,
Next
I'm over here
name.
muted. Hey family,
Oh,
morning.
let's go.
what's up?
Fred Yeager. Let's go,
How's it
Fred.
looking like?
All right, we got two
Beautiful.
OGs. There we
Nice,
go.
let's
Next
go.
name. Tess 3222. Let's go. Good luck. Congratulations. Here we go. Next name, Rick Navarez 8820. Congratulations and good luck. Next name,
I passed the top step. My last top
JRC209.
step finally.
Good luck. Next name,
Oh nice.
The one that they messed up.
Gavin
Oh nice.
Hanna.
Yeah, I was finally able to
Good
trade
luck.
it today.
Did they
Got the
give
I
your
want to see what this.
did they give
Man,
your
this
balance
thing
back?
might.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Still says ineligible, but
I'm kind of curious what we do here, but
Because that's what you were worried about, right? You thought it wasn't gonna give you your balance back.
I wish I could have
Yeah.
had my stop below this 15-minute
well,
opening
the
range.
first
but
they gave me my balance back the
it
first
was
time,
just too much.
Mhm.
and
Wow, it's gonna rip now.
what's it called? They gave me back my balance the first time, but as soon as I
All
executed
right,
the trade,
let's keep
micro,
going. All right, Gavin Hanna,
like
good
I said,
luck. Next name
liquidated me.
is DHQ305. DHQ305.
So this
Good
I'm
luck.
screen sharing,
Next
by the way.
name, Tony.
Okay, bet. Let me apply
Tony G-Force. Tony G-Force. Good luck. Here's the next one. Hey, Clarity Trader. Good luck, Clarity Trader. Love to see it.
Push up these
Hey,
levels. We
Citizen
inverse this. I took
Zero
shorts off
in
of
the
this
duck race. Good luck, Citizen
this
Zero.
box.
All right, now we've got to
I'm up that
get
right
rid
there.
of
Well,
5 names. 1,
Yeah,
Because
we're
of commissions. Because of
2,
commissions, just right here.
3,
we're bouncing off the
4,
38.
5.
Ooh, nasty move.
Man, this market's going to annoy me today. All right, here we go. Next name is going to be Kevin. Kevin G. Kevin G 3582. Here we go. Next name, Victor Hansen Pro.
See what we do here.
Good luck. Next name, FF Sinatra. Good luck to you. Here we go. 2 more names. Mr. I am.
Yeah, I had taken a short
Mr.
as it was going down
Ian.
to the 38.2, and I had it. I trailed out one. Well,
All
I hit
right, here's
target,
the next name.
and then I trailed out, and then it ended up
last
coming
name to
off
be
the 38.2.
picked
It bounced and
is
hit my trail.
Ace
So that was
Undercover.
a good exit.
All
Hey,
right,
let's
let's
go.
go. Ace Undercover.
Yeah, that she chews
All
on.
right,
It takes
guys,
like
we
30,
have
40
the
minutes for that
names.
one.
Are we ready to do the duck
It's
race?
bad.
Man, this market annoys me.
We're in a big zone right here. Like, not zone, but
Lay it
Hey,
down.
I guess that's just how it goes sometimes.
this area right here.
We can't win them all.
Bullshit.
We can't win them all, but man,
My bad. I thought I was muted.
I don't know how to really do this because this is a good entry. I
I'll
feel
just kick you out of the
I don't
chat.
know. I probably should have just had my stop below this level. I probably should have put it below this. Problem with that is that's an additional.
Yeah.
That's an additional
All right,
20
where are we going
points.
today? Let's
I don't know.
see.
I hate that
Like
big
will
of
take out 189
stop
eventually.
loss. I hate that big of a stop loss though. Anyway, it is what it is. We can't win them all. Okay, let's do the duck race, fellas. Let's do it. Let's do this. Actually, you know what? Let's do the duck race on this screen. Let's do the duck race here. All right, boys. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. And they're off. All right, here we go. All right, we've got some well-known people in the chat. We've got Timbo Trader at the bottom of your screen. Victor Hansen Pro taking the early lead. We got Tony G-Force. We've got Clarity Trader. And here comes Ace Undercover. Ace Undercover taking the early lead. And he continues to pull ahead. Now a half a length of lead on the field. Clarity Trader in second. We've got Fred Yeager, Timbo Trader at the bottom of your screen. We've got Citizen Zero in the middle of the pack. Kevin G also in close second. Now here comes Timbo. Timbo Trader wants to compete. Ace Undercover, Timbo Trader neck and neck. Here comes Victor Hansen. And he's trying to challenge Ace Undercover. The question's going to be, does Ace Undercover have enough stamina to keep this up? We have 45 seconds to go. Here comes Mr. I Am Iron. I Am Iron now takes the lead, and he's putting on speed. 35 seconds to go. We've got Mr. I Am with a half a length of lead. Ace Undercover, Victor Hansen close behind, and here comes Citizen Zero, FF Sinatra. They are trying to make a move. Here we go. We've got 20 seconds to go. Who's it going to be? 15 seconds. Mr. I Am Iron now losing out. Here comes Ace Undercover. Fred Yeager. Fred Yeager's in the lead. Can he hold? Fred Yeager. Oh no, Fred Yeager's. Here comes Citizen Zero. Citizen Zero pushes ahead and takes the win. Wow. Citizen Zero came out of nowhere and took the lead. He was pacing himself all race long. Nicely done, Citizen Zero. All right, now for the moment of truth. Who is it gonna be? The top three get the prize. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, and there it is. Oh, Kevin G. Oh, Kevin G, you were so close. You were so close. But rounding out the top three is FFS Sinatra. Then in second place, Rick Navarre. And in first place, like we saw, Citizen Zero. Very nicely done, fellas. Thanks for playing. And let me get my email in the chat. Make sure you guys... Here we go. All right. Right there is my email, guys. For those of you that won first, second, and third place only, please screenshot your username, send me an email, and I will get you the code for the 150K Lucid accounts. Thank you. Dove Gordon. Yeah, I was trolling. Shaved my head, the same kid for weeks will run out, calling me Howie Mandel. That's too funny. All right, market. Man. All right, I got to trade. I got to document my trade here.
Boring.
Bro, I'm like, damn, Mark ain't doing shit right now.
All right, let me. I'm trying to debate if we come back and test this 21 EMA. I don't have it set up here. No,
Yeah,
I
it
don't.
just leveled up to the top, came down 38.2. It's just dead.
Okay, so
Yeah,
that was a
it's
long
cool though.
setup that failed.
Shit dead as fuck.
That was trade number 10. Trade 10 of 30. And we had a 131 stop at 132 point stop. Okay, hang on. All right, give me a minute, guys. I'm trying to document my trade here.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, she's loud.
Want to make new highs for the day.
Hang on. Okay. And there she goes, making new highs. I'm getting. All right, let's download this. Okay, trade number 10 of 30 documented, and we are good to go. I mean, it was a good entry. It was a good trade setup. It just didn't work. So we can't be upset about that. We cannot be upset about that. Okay, here we go.
Order filled. Okay, there we go. All right, everybody should have, all three of you guys should have the email. All you guys should have the code for the 150K Lucid test account. So congratulations
Waiting for
again.
this
Thanks for
confirmation
playing.
on gold.
That is nice. Congratulations. All right, now.
Man, y'all wild for trading gold.
Bro,
I haven't even,
I got
even looked at it.
PTSD. I'm not gonna lie to you.
That shit moves. Like, you gotta trade that shit on the hourly time frame.
All right. I mean, we still have an uptrend
Bro,
now, so
I'm
we
scarred
can
from gold.
actually
I'm
take
not
a
even gonna lie
trade
to you.
here if we retest this 21 EMA.
I know I've blown all my Forex accounts on gold.
Me too. Putting a lot size?
0.01 blown.
Oh, 1.0?
Hell no. I was barely doing a one lot on euro.
What Forex trader was you using back then?
I used Hanko Trade
Oh, Hanko. I like Hanko Trade.
because they were doing like a match deposit bonus.
They're doing a 400 match deposit now.
400, yeah, because people were fucking putting in 10K, getting 10K.
Oh, they want you to put
Man, what a
10K?
nice
No,
move,
they were
Meyer.
warning you, like they didn't care back in the day. And then I went to
I don't know
Trade
how
Locker.
I redo this.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest,
and I tried their challenges, and then they gave a bunch of people free challenges.
I think that's what Jazz uses.
They were using they gave a bunch of people like free accounts, like free eval trades.
Right.
And then I guess they gave so many and had so many issues, I guess, with the platform, which I didn't see any. They paused everybody's shit and they never restarted them. So like I passed mine.
Hey,
And
Deb, you're
they never
welcome.
gave me an account.
Contemplating your profit
Yeah.
yet?
I mean, I want to get back into the
you're
Forex
welcome,
one
FF
day.
Sinatra. You are welcome.
But, like for like long swings and shit.
Yeah, I did almost say
Bro,
that.
you should start practicing. Well, you already have, I guess. Your swing training.
You
already have it. So
practice, but they just I don't know. I definitely want to like get into something like these. Like I seen the big dogs. They trade. They don't trade on the 5-minute time. They're trading on 1 hour, 4 hour. daily. They're trading on, those big time frames, 15-minute at minimum.
Yeah.
So that's what I want to do. Like
Target filled.
open up some trades on like
And
an
just
hourly
let
time
it do its
frame
thing.
and just let it ride. Oh, we get a nice little rejection here.
Hugo's way, man. Hugo's way. There was thieves.
They were these, huh?
Yeah. You ever tried Hugo's way?
Nah.
Oh,
All
bro.
right,
I
we're
don't know if it's
getting a
still around,
pullback
but that was
here.
the absolute
We are
worst.
getting a pullback.
Yeah.
Like, you will see a giant candle just liquidate you, and then you look at the other chart, and there wouldn't be shit. the
Oh, they were
broker would
manipulating the
liquidate you.
books.
Yeah. You doing CPI tomorrow?
Hell yeah. I got an eval just waiting for it.
Bro, I got like 6 evals.
All right, I got to pay attention here. We have a potential.
All
a
right, we filled the
potential
1
setup.
hour gap, a 4 hour gap on M&Q that we had from yesterday. Oh, we're getting some movement. Hey, all right, we filled the 4 hour gap. Let's see what we do. I want to go for some longs. To
All
be
right,
honest.
getting a little bit. I mean, I'm not like this would be one instance where a setup would not. Basically, my entry would have to be right at the highs of the day. That's a difficult trade to take. This is one of those where you can't really get a good entry on it.
We'll go for it.
Order
And you
filled.
could technically, like, I will bypass those. I don't want to take the trades when we're right at basically if my entry is right at the
liquidity.
highs, then I'm not taking it.
Oh, Ricky.
Look at my entry.
Damn.
I'm liquidity. Ricky.
No, it looks like it's pushing up. Where's your stop loss?
What's a stop loss? Well, I'm in 3 micros. I'm not worried. But I'm up 640 on the day.
Nice.
I ain't tripping. We're in a big ass 1 hour W pattern, so I'd like to see this at least push to about 223, 224.
We live
Yeah,
near
like
each other. We
profit
could go
up
as
here.
you can go as Beavis and Butthead.
Then you killing it.
I
Though.
would
Let's
pay
go.
to see that. I would pay to see that.
Trying to target this little base level right here. We have these little wicks here, little body closure. So try to get up to about here. We shall see. So this is what I've been looking at, by the way. I know you're recording, so what time frame was it on? The 1 hour. So the 1 hour time frame, we had Poppy Trump's candle,
Mhm.
which also happens to be all time. Up here is all time highs. We came down, we chopped in the lower half of this area for a while. We came up. Now I feel like we're gonna chopping this top half. Stay here for a little bit, and we'll come back up, and we'll stay here for a bit, maybe retracing the all-time highs, which would be nice.
Damn, we're running.
We're trying. So I want to get back to like the base of these candles. See how we have like body, body, body. I try to target that first
This
one.
thing gonna just keep ripping now.
Order submitted.
Which on the 15-minute happens to be a little breaker block. Fair value gap fill with a small volume imbalance right here. You can't really see it, but there's a little gap.
Target
Right
target
there.
filled.
Little bitty gap. See if we can at least get up there.
Man, this thing gonna go. Let's see if we take out the 200s. Looks like it will.
Ooh, that was a nice exit at the top. Whew. Hey, I put my target at 97 because I don't be playing with them solid dollars, them psych levels.
That boy Lou, you used me as liquidity.
Damn, damn.
I mean, we look strong. We look strong on the hourly. That's why.
Yeah, I think we still push higher, to be honest, because like we still. I mean, how much have we? Hold on, I haven't even. My fault. I've been like so occupied with my dog. I haven't even like really had good analysis of what the fuck I'm doing. Yeah, we're at previous week's high right now, I think. Yeah, we got a whole lot of to go get.
Yeah, we're sitting right on top of previous week's high.
Yeah. So we'll see what they do. But I just think from these levels, I think we eventually push higher, but there's gonna be some type of. I mean, we see what they're doing. So,
Gold is pushing too.
yeah, gold is crazy. Yeah, that's why I'm big brick only. Big brick only. Yeah, sir. The other night when I was doing the scalping thing on the smaller bricks, that shit was getting like it started out good, and then I had turned off the replication, and then it started getting clapped.
Oh
and then
shit.
and then the thing is it started missing the stops, and it was it is, man, gold is gold is more volatile than the Nasdaq was when Trump first started talking about tariffs.
I remember the oldest,
Yeah,
like you couldn't even see it with the human eye.
yeah,
It was so
yeah.
fast.
Bro, I took a trade on one. I took a trade. I made $1,100 in less than a millisecond.
Yeah, that's the one where you took that screenshot, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and it was
Yeah.
my TPT Pro account. So like, and I did, bro. I've been making some dumbass mistakes lately, thinking I'm in minis and I'm in micros, thinking I'm in micros and I'm in minis. Like I thought I
Bro,
wasn't. I thought I wasn't a micro.
I did that shit last night. I took a loss, but I didn't mean to. The second I seen, oh shit, what the fuck am I doing with this account? No, Ricky, it's close. I'm like, ah. I just took a
Damn.
worth of profit to in this shit
Yeah.
because I was getting the ATMs ready for tomorrow, and
Mm-hmm.
I was just testing it out, and then I'm like, oh shit, hold up, wait a minute, that's not the one.
Yeah. Yeah. That's how it be.
Yeah, good thing I closed quick, bro. 'Cause shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 4 Apex accounts. Oh no, Ricky.
Yes, sir. Let's go. My fault. I'm just vacuuming all my dog fur.
Man, I'm hoping I pass some of these funded next because I was watching a video. It said like hidden rules. I have to send it to you so you can scope it out. And they have some weird rule which it doesn't make sense, bro. Because what they call it, folding. I think it was like folding. Hold on, let me see.
You talking about the video you posted last night?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched it on my walk with. I watched it on my walk last night. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
and this is what I don't understand, bro. Because it says, oh, if you're full, I think they call that rule folding, which is like if you like basically pass the account or get like a very risky trade, like they can do whatever. The problem with that is like, well, if it's a rapid challenge and it contradicts itself. You see what I'm saying? Like the rapid challenge is basically like the apex.
Yeah.
Once
They all contradict themselves.
yeah, so I'm like, okay,
Yep.
and I was trying
Order
to get some
filled.
clarity. And I messaged the AI, and the AI said, yeah, we can we can suspend you or blah 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 blah. And I'm like, hold up. Then what's the point of a rapid challenge then? That really defeats the purpose. Yeah, it was weird. Hey, family, you taking any trades, Anthony?
Yeah, what up, bro? Yeah, so I was in oil. Um, it came back, got me break even. It was playing, so I actually seen NQ trying to retest this fair value got from Monday. So I'm actually in NQ from the one fucking 85,
Okay, bet.
but I'm broke even in this. I'm just yeah, broke
Are
even.
you still on MNQ right now?
Yeah,
You on longs or shorts?
shorts. I'm broke even right now. It look like he'll probably try and come and get me.
Yeah, we're kind of bouncing back and forth on that little structure.
Yeah. What about you, bro? How y'all looking?
I took an L today. 61A didn't hit. That's all good. And I'm waiting for gold to give me an entry.
That boy said he need that crack.
I need that dopamine for the day.
You need that crack.
I need to feel it.
Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, yeah. I gotta wipe all this shit out. Oof. Yeah, but I do personally think we continue. I mean, we keep going higher today. That's what I'm. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt me. I'm up in here break even. It's gonna tag me anyway.
Yep. Break even is better than loss.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, market been acting goofy today, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like, I mean,
yesterday.
we literally we were at the lows during London market open and it's rifled up. Well, they started
Yeah,
rifling up before the open. Just
Yesterday was a beautiful, beautiful day.
Surge, I had averaged in down here. So I'm like, this blue line is my entry.
Nice. Ooh, 110.
Let me see
That
what's
got
going on
spooky
now.
for a second.
Yeah. Algo took an entry at 168, 60, sorry, 169.75.
Damn
Ugh.
it. Let me FOMO real quick.
I
Oh,
scaled out.
Damn.
I scaled out. Drop my average down to here.
Boy said I'm getting green today.
I'm up. I'm up a little bit.
What?
I'm in 200 in commissions right now. It's killing me.
Damn.
I was heavy
what
on
the
the.
goddamn?
Look right here at the bottom of my screen. You can see how many contracts I buy.
What Denzel say? I'm leaving there with something.
Yeah, right. Nah, but at the end of the day, to be honest with you, like I don't even really be caring about commission. It's just the cost
Shit,
of doing
my
business.
funded is but my funded futures, bro. Their commission trade rate commissions are fucking
Oh no, I'm looking at it right now.
bro. Think about it. It says I'm up right now 760, right? But I'm only up 560.
Damn. Yeah.
I'm gonna let this ride and see what we do.
Mm-hmm.
We could maybe trail a little bit just in case.
Break even would probably be trail. If we eat all this back up and come back down, nah, I don't want to be. Yeah, I want this to go. To be honest, the hourly is bullish. 4 hours bullish. I mean, we're bullish. It's just they're gonna try to stump. They're trying to stop hunt and shit.
Mm-hmm.
It's 11 o'clock. What time they go to lunch? See, look at that shit. Boom. These some big candles though.
Oh no, Ricky.
Yo, the market's a dickhead.
Yep.
Yeah, does that drop?
Watch. Now I'm out. It's gonna go. Shit's gonna go.
Bro, it be like that the second you get out. Like the second you get out.
Every time. It's this little swing point right here. We can't seem to get over. I mean, we're eventually gonna get up here. Eventually, Let's just win.
CPI's 8:30 for y'all, 7:30 for me, right?
Yeah, I'm dropping the kids off early, boy. Dropping them kids off early tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow too. Shit.
That nigga is stupid.
Usually,
Right.
He's about to punt his kids.
usually I'm about to Usually I'm getting home at 8:30. Shit,
So about get your
home.
ass out that car. They the only one standing up there at the school. Everybody.
Yep. But I stop at Starbucks every day. After I drop my oldest off, I stop and get my little one. He likes them croissants.
You're getting there before the janitor.
I'll stop every day to get him a croissant.
Oh shit.
So he has something to eat on the way to daycare because sometimes they whatever they feed him for breakfast, he's not he's not liking or whatever, cereal and things like that. He don't really fuck with that.
Right.
So make sure you get something to eat. But yeah, usually I'm we hang out at Starbucks and he sits down and enjoys it. Man, get your ass in the car. Let's go.
He said, "Yo, you gonna have this croissant to go?"
Yeah.
Shit. This ain't no play time.
Yeah, bro. Listen, we go to that shit every day. When they see us walking up, usually the order's already being made or already made.
Wow.
While I'm paying, she's already handing him the croissant. Coffee's already done.
Wow.
I might stream it so y'all can see me get wrecked. These YOLOs.
Damn. These are with the YOLO.
The name of the stream YOLO CPI.
This is our range right now, high a day, and then 147. That's our range.
Those guys either gonna fill their account or we gonna pass the account today.
Bro, literally, that's tomorrow for sure. That's a fact. I was like, yesterday I was trying to train myself how fast I can like execute orders, like doing like a little countdown, 30 seconds. Okay, click. Okay, click.
That trigger finger ready. You gotta train.
I'm thinking of doing some orders, but I'm scared that it's gonna fill me up at a nasty price. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know how to go about it.
I'm gonna give you. So how do you? What do you plan on? What, like, you plan on passing one? You like a pass one, burn one?
Exactly.
So what I'll tell you to do is this. Whenever I need to do this, I use it. Well, I'll talk about this offline actually.
All right, Pat.
Yeah, I'll tell you how to get it going. Because there's a specific way to do it.
Because last, I think I did that once, and I did it like 5 seconds prior. Click.
And you did it on Nasdaq?
Yeah, like 5 seconds, like literally 5 seconds. Click.
There you go. We'll talk. We'll talk off the stream.
All right, bet.
All of us. We'll talk about all of us off the stream.
Okay, bet. Yeah, because I definitely need to cook something up because I got different props that I want to execute at that time.
So yeah, I want an account too, but now this firm doesn't even use Ninja, So I'm about to just give that shit away to somebody else.
Damn.
Hello. Is it me you're looking for? What do they use?
I don't even want that fucking account. They use like Volumetrica or some shit.
Yeah, so that's what I have with
I'm like, fuck
with
that. I don't even want that account.
trade futures now.
Oh, okay.
They use Volumetrica, but I can use Volumetrica in TradeSync.
Oh shit, bro! I just forgot. I have ETP. Good looks, bro. I forgot about that. Oh shit, bro. I have an ETP license I haven't used in mad long. Like I paid for the license, but now I just have it.
Yeah, I've been
forgot
trying to
about
set
that.
this shit up for 2 days, bro. I've been trying to set this shit up.
What does that even mean? What's the
What?
license?
What TradeSync? You've been trying to set up?
No, there's Volumetrica. I might need your oh no, you don't use them, right?
TradeSync? No, but I know how to
Volumetrica.
use it.
No,
No, yeah, I don't know how to use Volumetrica. Nah, I've never.
So when Volumetrica, you have to go and like set up all your data and this, like there's videos.
Yeah,
There's gonna be videos for every step you gotta
I'm not
take.
doing all that shit. Fuck that. I'm using this ETP.
That's why I don't really care about it, because like I'm gonna use it with TradeSync. So
Exactly. Yeah. Hey,
I'll link it to one of my
fuck that.
my top ones or something, like another eval on Top Step,
Right. And just trade that
or I'll use it with I still need one more on my funded futures, because I'm redoing the fundeds, because they added the flex thing.
Oh yeah, the Core Flex.
Yeah, so I got 5 of those. Well, 4 of those now. Well, these 3 right here, I got one already, and then I got one my funded set up for CPI. Because I can only do 1,500. It's got that 50% bullshit, but the other one doesn't.
Right.
The trade futures doesn't have. But I got an account for like $29. So it's like a one-time use $29 code, and then they have a special. You buy one, when you get your first payout, they give you another one for free. You can have 3 max accounts. So I was like, I'll just use those for CPI. I'll do the 7-day free trial. I'm gonna set that up tonight, and then I'll just use my funded, and then I'll link the trade futures now to those on TradeSync. And I'm not worried about the 50% on my funded, because I'm worried I'll just pass the other ones.
Right.
Even if I make too much, I mean, I'll just trade it and make it, trade it until I'm 50%.
Well, even if you make too much, can't you just reduce?
Well, on my funded, yeah. Even on my funded, if I make more than 50%, I just keep trading it. It's fine.
No, I know, but I'm saying if there's a day you make more than 50%, wouldn't you just take some losses just to get it down to 50%, or you wouldn't care?
I could, but the last time I did that, I was up $10,000.
Damn.
I did it on one of my top steps on the Poppy Trump day. I kept trying to take losses because it dumped so fast. I was up like $7,000. So I max conned it, thinking it was gonna reverse. It kept dumping. I was like, no. Bro, I was up like $10,000.
You tried to short the low, it went lower.
Yeah, it just kept falling. I was like, no, Ricky.
Yeah, man. I'm still making money.
I just trailing. No, don't trail. No.
That is
Target
fucked
fill.
up,
No.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Honey, what's wrong? I just made $3,000 more.
God damn it. I don't want 10 grand.
Damn. Yo, that's funny.
Bro, my homeboy did his shit again. Blew his top steps in one day again.
Oh, Ricky.
His fundeds, right? And I'm like, yo, wait, when they got the 40% code, I was like, just buy one 150K account. Why don't you just do that? Just trade one, because for some reason, five accounts gets in your head. And he bought those. He passed it 2 days. He was up this morning for work. He works with me. And he was in the shorts from the Asia High, the Asia High rejection. I'll tell you right now. He was in at the top, bro, like 25,115, right? Came all the way down. He was up like $7,000. And he watched it go all the way back to zero. I'm like, yo, why?
Oh, come
How
on.
was $7,000?
Say it again.
He was up 7,000 on his funded.
Who?
My homeboy from work.
Oh,
I'm like, on his 5 top steps he blew, he was up 5K times 5. And he literally watched him come back, overtraded, and blew the accounts.
What was he trying to do?
yeah. What was he trying to go for? 30,000 per account?
He has this thing. He's in such trading debt that he just wants to do it all in one day. I'm like, my guy, you have to do 5 days at least for your first payout.
Oh man.
What was the point, bro? You're up $7,000. Even if you had small trades the next couple of days, you're guaranteed half of that. Like, he's a solid trader. He just funded his weakness, man.
Damn.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't like fundeds either, man.
That's why I do the trade sync. I want to do a trade syncer because I can just trade one. Nothing's following. You know what I'm saying? You don't see all the accounts at once. Like, you're just trading one, and you only need 5. I was like, bro, 5 micros max. Well, you're on 150K, right? He was 30 contracts deep. Perfect entry. I'm like, yo, how is 7,000? That's more than your monthly salary as a supervisor.
Damn.
7K in a day, and for some reason you want more. I'm like, that's your
Yeah, that's the greed
problem,
just
bro.
right there. He got to fix.
Yeah, it's desperation.
That's what fucked me up before too, and that's why I had to start setting my limits at like 200 a day, like with my live accounts, because that was real money I was bringing in.
Good.
But I was letting it go because I was trying to get 500, and I mean sometimes a lot of times it actually did. A lot of times I would lock out at 200, at a stop profit, and it go, and I would have made 800, 900. But it's the fact that I was trying to
like that.
Man, bro, I was trying to create that consistency because I'm like, bro, I'm busting my ass all day for maybe 180, you know what I'm saying? And I'm making 200 before I even get to work, you know what I'm saying? There's no reason why I shouldn't be taking that shit because what am I trying to do? Am I trying to make it in trading right now or am I trying to replace my job? You know what I mean? Because I'm trying to replace my damn job, you know what I'm saying? So it's steps I got to take.
That's the goal.
So like, it's just, man.
To give away $32,000 though.
Yeah.
Your mind is on a different fucking level to give away 32,000.
Yeah. That's crazy. It happens, man. That should be crazy, man. That shit happens because people. It's just a greed factor, man. It's such a greed factor, and it fucks people up. It fucks people up that can actually trade and still have greediness because they see the money so easily. You know what I'm saying? But it's like you're not taking it. You're not being risk managed. You know what I mean? But you're calling the trades great. You know what I mean? But
$7,000 though,
man, bro.
I barely make, I wouldn't say I quite make that, but a little bit under it per month. And that's working 50-hour weeks. Bro, you made 7,000 at 2 a.m., 6 hours, you made $7,000. Like, how is that not enough?
Oh yeah, nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. I probably wouldn't even got that far. I'd have probably got to about like 2-3 bands.
Well, he went for Asia low, and so his thing was okay. So NQ dumped, not dumped, but it went under Asia low, right? Kept chopping at Asia low, but ES wasn't there yet. So there's a little SMT there, and he wanted ES to go to its Asia low. He'd been up like $10,000. Right? He wanted it to break because if ES gets down to it, NQ is gonna fall and drag ES with it.
Yeah, no,
we popped hard at Asia, and when it retested, I was like, bro, just take your profits, dog. It's tested Asia low like 4 or 5 times on a 15-minute candles. Like, just close it. And he watched it come all the way back. I'm like, and then he moved his stop loss. I was like, why'd you move your stop loss? There was no reason for you to move your stop loss. You would have secured like $4,000 if your stop loss got triggered. Nope. He dragged it all the way back up to break even. You're fucking stupid.
Order
Damn,
filled.
that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, he's got a problem. Like he low key he kind of taught me how the way I trade.
Yeah.
He taught me that. He refined what I already knew and put it towards how he trades. A little ICT concept, but not quite.
I think the problem is that he probably marries a bias. If this ain't that, this ain't that. But bro,
Nah,
like,
he's money hungry. He's in such trading debt. He just he thinks he could. I was like, yo, why do you need a 30K day? Like that doesn't make any sense. Even if you had a 30K day, you still have to have 4 more green trading days before you can even take half of that out. What's the point?
yeah,
And then you have 5 accounts, bro. 5K times 25. I mean, 5K times 5 accounts, 25 grand in a day.
yeah, man, shit.
We're rolling. We're starting to roll on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I just closed out my shit up there. Right there where it was.
Mm-hmm.
Just because it's playing, man. It's so slow. I mean, it did push all the way up to this stuff.
It's like it's stop loss hunting. Because I mean we're hella bullish on the 1 hour. Where she's out.
Order filled.
Yeah, man, that's the beauty about trading, though, man. Trading a
Don't make
beautiful
no sense.
thing. Just gotta master the mindset, man. And really, that just comes down to greed. You know what I'm saying? Greed and just ready to get to that next level, man. But I mean, even that's what hindered me so long. You know what I mean? Because I'm cool on the market, but impatience, like
Target
being
filled.
impatient, just all that extra stuff, you know what I'm saying, out the window, bro. You know what I'm saying? Once you got the strategy, you just gotta follow it. Even if it's a whole week of doing fucking nothing. You know what I'm saying? Don't come that last Friday and then be like, oh man, I ain't trade all week. I gotta make some type of profit and then be negative for the week. That's the type of stupid
Yeah,
shit
but
I used to do.
low
Yeah,
key, there's firms that if you don't trade it, you have to have like 1 trade every week, or they kill your they'll like take away your account.
every 4 days with blow nuts.
Yeah, funding
Yeah.
futures is every 7 days. You have to have a
Yeah,
trade
but see, I'm not even gonna
Monday and
lie.
Sunday.
That's low key not trading though. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I mean, but I know that's their business aspect of having to make their money. You know what I'm saying? Because they ain't making money if you ain't making trades. But technically, in the reality of the world, I mean, sometimes you don't see your setup in 4 days in a week. You know what I mean? Like, shit, today's my first trading day of the whole entire week. You know what I mean? So it's like I really had to sit on my hands on that. I really had to learn that because, bro,
Stop
that's really what
filled.
hindered me and set me back, especially already seeing this success. And I'm trying to get on y'all boys level. You know what I'm saying? But it's all there. You just gotta stay disciplined with it, bro.
Facts.
It's a target. Wow.
What up?
I take target and then they keep pushing. Well, okay, I guess they're bouncing now. It's a good target. 71 to 49.
I'm long. The candle that made high of day, we just swept it. So let's see if we can try to get a push here. We should get a decent push here. We swept. Change the state. See if we can get a push. If we fail a high of day candle, though, it could be a bad thing. There we go. Let's go.
Happy I took my little target.
Let's go. I'm out. Quick 200. Probably pull back somewhere down here. Or we're just gonna moonsauce. But yeah, we break this low. We close under this low that made the high of day. I'll probably flip bearish.
You exit your position, Mike? You exit your position?
Yeah, I'm out. I took this whole. I was in right here.
Bet.
I took it for a quick. I think it was like 15 points, whatever. Somewhere up here, I was out.
Hey, that's a day right there. That's tight.
So either we're gonna come down. If we push, we'll probably take out this little high right here, this weak ass high. And we hold this little 1 minute fair value gap. We'll push. We'll take out this little doji candle high. But yeah, this is my bearish level right here. 142. Oh, we're just gonna go take out this high. What a fucking chop zone. Don't take out this high. You can do it. She wants to. Watch this. Short. Whoa. As soon as I go short. Boom.
Ooh.
Oh, Ricky. Ricky Tikitan. They'll be like, oh, got him.
They're mixing you low.
I don't know, to take out that low from ninth. God. Gotta reflect though. How many times have you seen this set up like on a bigger time frame, on the 15 and shit, 1 hour? We fuck around and then we just move. It's almost lunchtime too. Look at that. Trap those sellers. Trap them sellers. Bye-bye. Stop loss triggered. Oh, Ricky. Will shorts prevail? Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z.
Stop loss triggered. No.
Will the Sea Fighters blow their accounts? Find out on the next.
Boom. Stop loss. Boom. Give me all your monies.
Then we just got stuck at that level, huh?
Oh, we like I said, we took out this high right here, this doji candle, filled the gap,
60 minutes.
and then watch. Whoa. No, we'll probably push. I don't know what this world for. Baby, cause I'm a trader. Dun, dun, dun. And I watch. Yeah. All right, here goes the sellers. All right, I'm gonna short it again. They tried to short again when they saw this. All those poor traders. Like this would be if you're short, this would be your optimal entry because you got a 10, what's that, 9-point stop loss. Let's try it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna get smoked. We're gonna try it.
You gonna try the long
Hell no.
or short?
I'm a short. 9-point
Oh.
stop loss.
I really hope they don't impulse.
Oh, just stupid. No, I got a stop loss this time. Don't worry, Serge.
Oh, okay. If they do some stupid ass impulse,
There it goes.
there it is. There's a dumbass impulse.
Oh,
$20 loss.
Damn,
that's not bad.
that's not bad. It was good. It was a good effort.
There's we're inside of a 15-minute fair value gap from yesterday. So we're gonna fill it at 211. Hello. Sir, remember what I say? What I say? Was it the 1 hour? This was the original TP up here. What time frame was I on? The hourly? Yeah. Like I said, we're gonna fill this W. Beep, 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 beep. And we got a little. Oh, there's a little balance I told you about earlier, sir. Then we got another one right there. Little guy.
You think we might push up?
I mean, maybe should just win. They got their last push before lunch. The big dog, the market, New York. They're gonna get their one push before lunch. Ricky. Oh, you gotta trade the market while you're watching these currency traders buy $20 million condos in Dubai.
Man, we need this gold to drop. Come on, bring it. Hey, you had a great day, Mike. Let's go. Hey, Lou, wellness check.
Yo.
I'm ending the stream. I'm not getting off. I'm just ending the stream.
Hey. Okay. Word.
I was on mute.